start with the new topic, that is Routh-Hurwitz criteria. Okay, Routh is a scientist name, Hurwitz is also the scientist name. They gave you the different criteria to check whether the system is stable or not, right? Suppose they have given us the block diagram like this. It would be 7 divided by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, and that would be P of s. Here it would be R of s, and the feedback is connected to this, right? So in this case we have to check whether the system is stable or the system is unstable. Okay, so for that we need to calculate the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is 1 plus g of s h of s is equal to 0. So 1 plus g of s is this one, right? H of s is nothing is given, so that would be 7 divided by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, hs is 1 is equal to 0, right? Now solve it, take the LCM, it will make an equation. Tell me the equation. So after solving we'll get characteristic equation as this one, right? So I'm writing it, s cube plus 3s square plus 2s plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we have to take the Routh-Hurwitz of this. See how can we take it. First we need to calculate like the coefficient of this one. So that is s cube, s square, s1 and s0, right? S cube, s square, s1, and here it is s is 0, correct? So for further you need it like coefficient of s cube is 1, keep the one term, then 2, keep the another term, then it would be 0. Similarly for s square, coefficient of s square is 3, keep the one term, then it will become 7, right? So how will you do it further? 3 into 2, like we'll start from the downward side, minus 7 into 1 divided by the term from which we have started. It would be 3 into 2 minus 7 into 1 divided by 3. Okay, then it will be 3 into 0, then here it is also 0, 0 into 1 divided by 3. 3 into 0 minus 0 into 1 divided by 3. So if I'll solve it further, then what will get it like 1, 2, 3, 7. It is how much? 6 minus 7 by 3. So that would be minus 1 by 3. That would be 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Correct? So again we'll do the same step for the coefficient of S0. It would be minus 1 by 3 into 7 minus 0 into 3 divided by the term minus 1 by 3. It would be minus 1 by 3 into 7 minus 0 into 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. So 0 into 0 is 0. This one would be cancelled out. So the left one coefficient will remain 7. Okay. Now we'll see the first column terms. That first column, if all the first column terms are positive, then the system is stable. But here you can see that we are getting one negative term. So that means the system is unstable. Now see, for this the equation is 1 plus Gs Hs is equal to 0. So that would be 1 plus 3 divided by S into S plus 1, S plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we need to take the LCM. s into s plus 1 s plus 2 plus 3 divided by that term, that would be equal to 0, right? Now tell me, up to here you are correct? Now after solving you will get this equation, right? Now you have to take the Routh-Hurwitz of this equation. S cube plus 3s square plus 2s plus 3 is equal to 0, right? It would be s cube s square 1 s0. Now do it by your own.